What's up? I'm Suzy and welcome to my channel. So here it is. I already have one of these in New Jersey that I've been using for a long time, and I love this thing for a couple different reasons. First of all, it saves me a lot of money. I drink Cafe Verona mostly, and a box of 32 of these on Amazon is $21.76, which is 68 cents a cup. But if I use the reusable coffee filter, I can make like 30 cups out of this one bag. And that would mean I can make Starbucks coffee every morning for like 30 cents. Compared to 68 cents for this, I'll take the 30 cents. Over a year, that could add up to a good amount of money, and this was $14.99, but I'd say it pays for itself pretty quickly. And the second reason why I really like using the reusable filters is because I know it's better for the environment, since a lot of these end up in landfills, unfortunately. And you can put it in the dishwasher, so it's really easy to clean. And it doesn't work with every coffee maker, but I'll put a list in the description below of the ones that it does work with. And now I'll walk through how to add it to the Keurig. So I'll first unlock it. Then top comes off, this twists off. This is what I can put the coffee grinds into. Guess I could just do this. That works too. There's two different lines that you can fill it up to. There's that lower line there, and then there's a higher line up there for a bigger cup. I have to get this bottom part off, take off this sticker. If you push down from here, it'll pop off like that. Then I put this in here and then lock it. Now I can put it in the Keurig. So I'll need to take this out, and all I do is I'll pull this out. Comes out pretty easily. And I'll put in this one. And it should just go like that. I'll turn this on, and then I have to open this up and close it again. Now it'll show the lights, and I'll hit that. Time to try it. Also, as a side note, oat milk is great. I used to drink skim milk my entire life, but I recently switched to oat milk. Oatly is my favorite. My next favorite is Chobani. That one's great too, in case anyone was wondering. Just tried it and it's good. And then it's easy to clean. So we'll just take this out, unlock it, pull this top off. I can then throw away the grinds and rinse it out and then put it in the dishwasher. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Hit that like button if you like this video, and comment below if you use a reusable K-Cup. I'd love to see who else uses one, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video.